Project IDX, explore web workspaces, extensions, and seamless AI integrations. Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we're taking a first look at the exciting world of Project IDX. We will walk you through the initial steps, exploring the homepage at idx.dev, and showing you exactly how to join the waitlist for this game-changing project. Let's get started. All it takes is a simple click to join the waitlist. After that, click on Connect your Google account, select your Google account. Agree to Google's terms. That's all there is to it. Now, it's a waiting game until you receive approval and acceptance from the Project IDX team. After receiving acceptance from the Project IDX team, we now have the capability to link to idx.google.com and initiate the creation of a new project. As demonstrated, you can initiate a new workspace using a variety of templates. Among them is the web app template featuring Angular, Next.js, Astro, React, Simple HTML, and Svelte. The backend template includes Go, Python Flask, Node Express, and Rust. For mobile projects, there's Flutter. The AI and ML template incorporates Gemini and Palm API, and finally, there's the miscellaneous template. Let's attempt to establish a new workspace, opting for the web app template equipped with the straightforward features of Simple HTML. I named the workspace as my app, agreed to the terms, and now, I'll patiently await the completion of all the configurations. As shown, Project IDX allows you to preview our full-stack, multi-platform applications just as your users would experience them. This includes built-in support for multi-browser web previews, Android emulators, and iOS simulators. Let's initiate some modifications. For instance, we currently have a Hello World message that we can update to Hello Everyone. After making this adjustment, simply refresh the browser, and you'll observe the changes instantly. In this instance, we'll demonstrate installing Prettier, a widely used code formatting library, as an extension. By adopting this method, we can guarantee that our code aligns with our chosen coding style. You can also deploy your web or Flutter projects to Firebase hosting directly from your workspace. We can integrate as simply by selecting a portion of code, right-click, and access IDX AI with three choices: explain selected code, add a comment for selected code, or perform an action. Opt for explain code, initiating a chat with the AI to seek help in writing code or any other queries you may have. Now, let's proceed by selecting a different mobile app template, opting for Flutter as the featured framework. Pick a name, such as Momobili app, click on the Create button, and patiently await the completion of all configurations. Great! Our application is now being previewed on various devices, including Android, iOS, and web platforms. You have the option to test our application, which increases when the button is pressed. As demonstrated, it functions flawlessly. Project IDX stands as a comprehensive tool for streamlined and high-quality development experiences encompassing features like web workspace integration, a variety of templates, AI support, a user-friendly interface, and the ability to preview applications seamlessly across different devices.